Hello there, friends, and welcome to lesson 2 of our last week in our weather unit. Last time we read the weather poem together and picked out the key words in the poem using our visuals. Today we are going to put our weather poem in order together using those same key words. But before we do that, let's read our poem again. We're going to read it first, and then we're going to sing it with the same tune that we did in our last lesson. Then after we read and sing, we'll use those key words that we learned last time to put our poem in order. Okay, let's start together. Let me grab my handy dandy pointer. Here we go. Rain, rain, those are key words. Here today, we must stay inside to play. Wind, wind, fly a kite. Let it go as it takes flight. Snow, snow, white and cold. Catch it in your hand to hold. Sun, sun, bright and warm. Chase away the thunderstorm. All right, friends. So we see that in this poem, we're talking about 4 main types of weather. Rainy weather. Let's underline the word rain. Rainy weather. Windy weather. Snowy weather. And sunny weather. What are the 4 types again? Will you say them with me? First, rainy weather. Then the poem talks about windy weather is next. Then snowy weather. And then sunny weather. So those are the 4 types of weather that this poem talks about. Now, I have a copy of the poem here, but there's a problem. We only have the pictures and no words. That means we're going to have to figure out which phrases go first, second, third, and fourth. But how will we do that? I know, we could use key words like we learned in our last lesson. Shall we try that? Okay, let's do it. So the first part of our poem talks about rain. First, we talk about rainy weather. Rainy weather. So let's see if we can find which stanza talks about rain. We're looking for the key word rain, and it will be the first word in the stanza. It means in the phrase. Which phrase has the word rain at the beginning? Do you see the word rain? Look, here it is. Rain. Rain, rain, here today. We must stay inside to play. We found the keyword rain. Awesome! The first part of our poem is all done. Now we need to find our next phrase. This one is all about wind. So we need to look for the keyword wind. Let's see what options we have here. Wind. Wind starts with the W sound. W. Can you find the word wind? We're looking for the phrase that starts with the W. Do you see it? I see the word wind. Let's read the whole phrase. Wind, wind, fly a kite. Let it go as it takes flight. We found the next phrase in our poem, which is all about wind. Awesome. Let's see what's next. Is it snow or sun next? Ooh, it's white and cold. It is snow. Snow. We have 2 phrases left, and this is tricky because they both start with a S sound in the first word. Snow and sun both start with a S sound. So we'll have to look at the second sound to find snow. Sn. I hear a N or in sound next. Let's see. Which word starts with S-N? S-U, no. S-N, snow, 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 white and cold. Catch it in your hand to hold. That's our next phrase. Snow, awesome. And then that means last, we're going to talk about the sun. Let's see if that last phrase fits. Yes, there's our keyword, sun. Sun, sun, bright and warm, chase away the thunderstorm. Friends, thank you so much for finding the keywords rain, wind, snow, and sun. Now we're ready to sing our poem together. Are you ready to sing it with me? All right, we're gonna start with rain. Rain, rain, here today. We must stay inside to play. Wind, wind, fly a kite. Let it go as it takes flight. Snow, snow, white and cold. Catch it in your hand to hold. Sun, sun, bright and warm. Chase away the thunderstorm. All right, friends, thank you so much for reading our weather poem with me and finding those keywords: rain, wind, snow, and sun. All right, we will see you this week for more amazing, fun weather lessons and adventures together. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.